This is a video, okay, of this FT012 boat. Alright, so it's not working. Battery's fully charged. I put new batteries, okay, brand new alkaline battery. If I turn it on, you can see the green and red light, so we know it is powered. Alright, what we'll do is hopefully we'll put everything, we'll put the battery, okay, on. Remove. The cover. Alright, there's the inside. Pretty nice. Alright. I'll put the battery in. Turn on the transmitter. All right. Okay, plug the battery. Okay, that should be a bind. I didn't hear the servo. Nothing with a servo. All right. They say to submerge it. I'll put the cover on. I just put it in the water. I put the boat in the water. Alright, boat is in the water, and it mentioned something about, okay, there should be a hole there. Okay, water's supposed to go in there, in that little hole, so it now I'm pressing. Okay, nothing forward, backward, even though battery is fully charged, nothing. There's no activity at all. No servo, nothing. Does not work.